Hello, hello. Welcome to Notary Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, many of you know my nephew Cameron has started his notary journey and he got his supplies and he's going to actually go through the box, he and I together, and we'll tell you what he has. The camera will mainly be focused on him. I'll just be in the background. And he's actually going to load his notary bag up too, getting ready for his first job. Okay, 1 second. All right, Cameron. So tell the people who you are.
Hello everyone, my name is Cameron Wilson. This is my unboxing, and as you know, Kimmi is my aunt, so let's get right into it.
All right, Cameron, let's do this. So he's opening the box. Yay! So let's see, as he pulls things out, I'll go ahead and help explain what some of the stamps are. So you can just start. Let's see, we can just look in the box. So you see it's quite a few supplies. Okay, what's that one? So that is one of his Jurats or Acknowledgement Stamp, and that's the one he'll be using in case there is no wording on the document. If you don't know how to do that, check out my video, Notarize Like a Pro, my course. Or either, again, I'm with Notary Educators and I can assist you. So what do we have next, Cameron?
We have another Jurat.
Good, you got your Jurat stamp. Okay, very good. That's in case, again, no notarial wording on a document. What else do we have? Oh, those are the booties in case someone wants you to take your shoes off. Yep. How many does it say in that pack, Cameron? Because you wouldn't have to pack all of those in your bag, maybe just a few of them.
How many?
Yeah, I think it's 100. Is it 100?
Yes.
Okay.
100.
So you probably put like 10 in your bag at a time. Cool. All right. You want to hold that up again for the people? Okay, that's the little booties. And all of this can be found at Notary Educators, LLC.com. I have a supply list over there. What do we have next?
Some black ink.
Yep, that's the ink to replace in your ink stamp. You always want to make sure that's filled up. Very good.
And what goes with the ink
is the stamp. That's the money maker.
Stamp.
Yep. So that's the notary stamp.
There are the little seals.
Yep. I thought we ordered gold seals. Yep. That goes with the embosser. Yep. How many in a roll?
250.
Yep, 250 of those. So I usually pull off a few and put them in my bag. You don't have to pack all 250 of them because you don't use them that often. All right, what else we got?
Embosser.
Yes, people love to see that, especially your older people, guys. So go ahead and get your embosser. Okay, Cameron, what else we got? Now that's the pen for people that have arthritis or elderly. It'll help them. I'm getting ready to do a whole video on that actually. But that's what the pen looks like, okay? Good.
Receipts.
Yep, so you got your receipt book. Good. That comes in a 6-pack. My favorite. The Integrity Journal is the best journal right now that I know of. Make sure your state says you can use it. Only state may have a problem is California because they're very particular. But can you hold that up again, Cameron, the journal? Okay, cool.
And the last one is another notary stamp.
Yeah, that's your certified copy stamp in case someone asks you to make a copy of something. And is that it in the box?
Yes.
All right, box is empty, guys. So that's some of the supplies that you would need to start your notary journal. So Cameron, go ahead, you can put them in your bag and let's see how you're gonna pack it. We'll go ahead and let Cameron start packing his bag just a little bit. And then we won't take too much time here, guys, because you want to pack your bag the way you want to pack it. But Cameron has a nice, you want to show them your bag, Cameron, in the front where you had the area to put like your ink pens and everything?
Yes.
So just kind of swing it this way. I'll pull the camera. So he has a place to put his ink pens and his stamps and everything right there. So we'll probably go ahead and wrap it up. And you see all the different supplies. I'll just stand up so you can see those again. And Cameron's just packing his bag. So you pack your bag the way you want to. Again, you don't have to carry all of your supplies at the same time. Just put out a little bit of everything. And then you'll be good to go. So I'll bring it back over to me right quick. So again, guys, this is Cameron's unwrapping. Excuse the mess in the back there. We've been ripping and running a lot. But yeah, so this is his unboxing of his notary supplies. And everything you need can be found at notaryeducatorsllc.com and click my Notary Supply List, okay? Well, until next time, bye.